Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Today, we'll dive deep into Meta and provide you with a detailed analysis to help you make an informed decision. Our initial report on Meta was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Now, we're here to give you an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On December 7, 2023, our system identified Meta as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.94. Now, let's dive into Meta's performance during this time period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.44% since we first recommended Meta as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.58% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $376.33, it will indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.8% change over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could see a return between 1.72% and 16.62% during this period. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 92.86% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 71.43% and 117.11%. In other words, the stock could reach a price range of $635.11 to $804.31 after a year. Our latest update for Meta brings exciting news. Meta stock has been upgraded from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate following Wednesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 10, 2024, the Meta stock price experienced a gain of 3.65%. It went up from $357.43 to $370.47. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 3.86%, reaching a low of $359.08 and a high of $372.94. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 6 of them, with an overall increase of 4.41% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume also increased on the last day of trading, along with the price. In fact, 9 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. The total number of shares traded during this time period was 22 million, with a value of approximately $8.14 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $372.94, while the lowest was $130.34. Currently, the price is 0.66% or $2.47 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 3.61% or $13.86 below the all-time high, which was achieved on September 1, 2021, with a price of $384.33. Today, we'll be discussing analyst ratings for Meta. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Raymond James rated Meta as a strong buy with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade accompanied by a hold action. Wells Fargo, also on November 20, 2023, gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. And once again, on November 20, 2023, Wedbush rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. According to analysts, Meta stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio of Meta stock are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock is showing positive signs as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections in the stock price, we can expect some support from the lines at $353.77 and $341.29. However, if the stock price breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 28.48%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals that could be helpful in your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a sell signal. Another signal worth considering is the pivot signal, which suggests a buy signal 52 days ago. We also have the Bollinger signal, indicating a buy signal 1 day ago. If we look at the short-term moving average, it gives us a buy signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 24 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 45 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average shows a buy signal 23 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 51 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 245 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals and make informed investment choices. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta's stock has some important support levels to consider. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $334.92 and $299.53. These support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, keep an eye out for a potential drop if $334.92 support is breached. In that case, the next support levels to watch out for are at $299.53 and $288.35. In terms of risk, Meta has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This puts the risk level at a medium. Looking at the last day, the stock had a price range of $13.86, which is equivalent to a 3.86% fluctuation. On a weekly basis, the average volatility stands at 2.16%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for Meta, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The P/E ratio we're looking at is within the normal range, which is typically seen in companies with a long history or steady revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 17, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $4.75. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Meta. Looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the conditions are right, the stock could move upward swiftly. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The last 5 insider trades were executed by Zuckerberg Mark, who both bought and sold a total of 19,681 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -37.465. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 160,073 shares and sold 354,375 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $357.06, which represents a decrease of 3.62% from the current price. Considering the stock's medium daily movements, the risk level can be classified as medium as well. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 51 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta is showing several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we expect further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, January 11th, we anticipate Meta to open at a lower price of $367.50, down -$2.97. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of potential financial loss. Always consult with a trusted financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? We're excited to hear your insights. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.